Oh yeah, here we go again. Boom, this is Car Culture in Case. We have been absolutely slammed with new stuff coming in. This right here is another new case this month. I need to show it to you. This is In Case Car Culture door slammers. Take a quick peek down in the box here. This particular set is pretty cool. It's got one of my favorite cars in it, which is the, I'll take it out first. But the BMW 2002 is one of my favorite cars. Doesn't mean you gotta like it. Like whatever you like. It's got the old school 80s vintage feel to it. It's got the Eibach on the door there with the O2. It's got the very recognized M colors on the back panel there. It's just a very sweet car. There you go, 2x2. This is a 10 car case, and there's exactly two sets in this particular case. So this one right here is the 1970 Ford Escort, RS 1600. Check out that card back. I love the art on these. Again, this is the Door Slammer series. And the Escort is a very popular model. People love it almost as much as they love the Datsun 510. Check that out, guys. That card back is smoking. It's got the green and red tampos on the side there. Get a good look at the 510. This is one of the most popular cars of the decade, I would say. I think they did this in 2009. And people look for this car everywhere they go. This particular one has white wheels on it. The next car in the case is the ALFA ROMEO GIULIA Sprint GTA. It's got the bright red paint on it, the 23, and the yellow nose. This right here is also a very sought after car. Very cool. There's the Alfa Romeo. And then the last car in this 10 car box is the 71 Porsche 911. Again, one of the classic racing cars. Get a good view of it here. Red, blue, Urban Outlaw tampo on the roof there. It's got the Momo on the hood, 277. Sick. All right, well, there we go. There was a quick view of the Nitro door slammers. Again, hope you guys are having a great January. Here's a quick top-down view of the door slammers. Thanks again for joining us. This is Wheel Collectors with Car Culture Unboxing.